Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we are continuing on with some more organization motivation, and today we're going to work on my linen closet, which sits right outside my bathroom. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to show you everything I've got to work with, and then we're going to jump right in and get started. I'm really anxious to do this because, again, just like some of my other cabinets, it's a bit of a hot mess. So I'm anxious to jump right in and get it done. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you what we've got to work with today. Okay, so here is the upper portion of this cabinet. It's got 3 shelves on the top. So I keep all my towels, all my lotions, all my first aid things, Band-Aids, yeah, you name it, it's in here. And then I keep like my blow dryer, my hair curling products, things like that. Right now I've got some medicine up here that I took out from my kitchen and just stuck it up there. So this is what it looks like right now. It's kind of an organized mess. I have cleaned it out once before, but it's been quite a while since I've done that. So this is what we're going to do first. And then let me show you down here. This is what the bottom looks like. And it's also 3 shelves. This is where I keep a lot of my hand lotions. I keep light bulbs. Yeah, just things like that. But down here, because I don't have a garage and I don't really have anywhere else to store anything, this is where I keep all of my tools, my nails and screws and paints and just anything, you know, that falls under the home repair, do-it-yourself category. So got a lot of stuff down here too. And so all this stuff just needs to be, some of it needs to be, you know, gotten rid of, but basically it needs just to be organized. So this is what we're working with today. So I thought what I would do is I would just start with this top part. We'll do that first, get that done, and then we'll get busy and work on the bottom. Okay, so here are the items that I bought to use for the project today. And most of these, like all of these bins, this plastic one I had left over from one of my previous projects, and then these 2 small bins right here, I got all of these at Home Goods. And then these cubes here I got at Target, and I also got these storage bins at Target as well. So they had so many different colors, different sizes, so I thought these will be perfect, and I think they're gonna fit. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. So this is what I have to work with. So we're gonna get started, and we're gonna do the upper cabinet first, and then we'll work on the bottom.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you...
Okay, so here is all the stuff that I've taken out. Like I said, a lot of this I will probably get rid of. I've got just so many lotions and just things that I've had in there for so long. I just, you know, and I'm sure I'm not the only one that tends to accumulate a lot of stuff. So yeah, some things I'm going to get rid of, and I think it's going to be a lot more organized once I clear a lot of that stuff out and get everything put back in containers. It'll be a lot more organized.
Too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. it's so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words, no.
Woke up at the break of dawn, empty hotel room. Just had to get up, get dressed, get out, and get behind the wheel again. I gotta see your face, I miss you, miss you, I miss you. Got a long way left, but I'm gonna make it there tonight. Got my songs on the stereo. It's been a long time coming, but I know we're gonna be alright. Got an open road, I'm heading home. I'm heading home. I'm heading home. I'm heading home again. I've been going round and round, always on the run, but now I'm getting back on the right track. Yeah, I wanna feel you close to me, but you're still far away. I need you, need you, I need you. Got a long way left, but I'm gonna make it there tonight. Got my songs on the stereo. It's been a long time coming, but I know we're gonna be alright. Got an
With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out.
Okay, so here is everything that I took out of my bottom cabinet. I hated to bring all this stuff to the living room, but I just have a lot more space in here, so it's just going to work out a little bit better. So I'm going to start sorting through this stuff. A lot of it, I'm sure, will have to be tossed.
If you let me hear you say my name, my name. If you let me hear you, babe. 'Cause I wonder if you feel the same, same. Or just tell me if you feel the same. You don't need to hesitate, oh babe. No, it's never too late. I think we're soulmates. Let's find a way to start again, oh yeah. 'Cause I wanna work things out, yeah. I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me, with me. I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down. So please, let me hear you say my name, name. You say my name, name. You say, let me hear you say my name. You say, even though it's dark some days, I know blue skies are coming our way. Yeah, yeah. Everything will be okay. 'Cause no one else can make me feel this way. Yeah, I'm completely satisfied, right? As long as you're by my side. So if you let me hear you say my name, my name. If you let me hear you, babe. I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me, with me. I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down. So please, let me hear you say my name, name. You say my name, name. You say, let me hear you say my name, name. You say, let me hear you say my name, name. You say my name, name. You say, let me hear you say my name, name. You say, let me hear you say my name.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant.
Okay, because these shelves, I really didn't notice how bad they were until I took everything out and cleaned them. They really need to be repainted or covered with some shelf liner. Well, I have a little bit of shelf liner left over from my last project, so I'm just going to take this little bit and I'm just going to use enough, or use the rest of it to line this bottom shelf here. So I don't have a whole lot left. There's just about this much. So I'm just gonna, I think I'm just gonna cut it in half and fit it in as best I can, and at least use it up and, you know, try to dress up at least this bottom shelf.
Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop. Even though we fight sometimes and it feels like a war zone, I still care about us. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh.
Okay, I wanted to address this bottom shelf. When I had measured everything to make sure that all the containers I bought were going to fit. So the one that I got to put down here was just a little bit too wide, and it would not fit down past this right here. So I had to improvise. I had to switch some things out. I had to rearrange a few of these containers just to make everything fit. So I did end up taking this container out of my son's room, which we had been using as a wastebasket. Luckily, it's the same pattern as the rest of these. So I just switched them out and put, you know, like all the paints and everything that I originally had in the first one, I put in this one. And I just sort of rearranged things so it would look, you know, so it would look uniform. And I did manage to get everything in here. So this is how it looks. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Everything is just so neat and orderly, and I absolutely love it.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then.
Okay guys, I'm all done. I'm so happy to have all this done, and I was sort of freaking out a little bit when I hit that snag in the road, because I thought, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I can't fit this container in the bottom. So what am I going to do? My initial thought was to just take everything out and put everything, you know, in the bottom without being in a container. But I thought, you know, it's not going to look very good, even though I had the liner in there. But yeah, it all worked out, and I am so happy. So I think maybe at another time I might take everything out again. Now that everything's organized, I could take everything out. I could either repaint or maybe reline the shelves. I just didn't realize how bad they looked. I mean, these apartments are, you know, I think these were built in the 70s, so the closets themselves, you know, are that old. So, but anyway, everything is at least neat and orderly and just, you know, put together. So I'm happy with how it looks now. And yeah, I've got a big mess in my living room to clean up, so I'm gonna do that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you've not yet subscribed, please consider doing so before you leave. I'd really appreciate it. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll say goodbye. I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Goodbye, guys.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And